Can you cash out your payment every 3 hours from JustPlay app? Let's figure out. Hey guys, welcome to my channel called Random Rewards. Today I decided to review JustPlay app. Now, why did I decide to make a video and what is even JustPlay is? If you are old enough in play to earn app, you should be familiar with the JustPlay. And JustPlay is the app where you play games and earn coins. Then you can exchange for gift card and PayPal, and you can do even donation in app too. Recently I'm seeing so many crazy claims and scammy video claiming $5-10 easily, and that's why that motivate me to make a video about the JustPlay. And I'm not sure if JustPlay is available on the iOS. If not, then you can use other options. But yeah, JustPlay is play to earn app, and they has more than 10 million downloads, 4.5 ratings, and most of them is pretty much everything is positive review. My video will be very short, is because JustPlay has only few things to offer. So yeah, this is the thing that I was talking about. No matter how much coin you earn, that will be accumulated to earnings into dollar in every 3 hours, and then you can cash it out. Just because you can withdraw every 3 hours doesn't mean it's gonna be worth it. If I cross it out, so there's the amount that I earned so far. Minimum is 20 cents you need to earn in order to cash out, and I'm not sure if that many player is active online right now, but yeah, that's based on what they're saying. And this is their progress bar. It's not nothing important, it's just how much coin did you earn and how much it should be accumulated. This is the games, and their game is so funny, and I actually like a couple of them. Example of ball bounce, Mad Master, and car defense. Yeah, but overall they have huge amount of games. Most of them is very enjoyable, very enjoyable and fun time to spend. Okay, and they even says that more games is upcoming sooner or later. On the bottom, watch video. If you hit the watch video, it's gonna show you ads, and you will earn this amount of loyalty coin, what they call. Competing offer is just leads you to Tapjoy, I believe. Yes, Tapjoy, and this is one of the best partner role I ever come across. More or less all offer is either pay less or above the average or about average. And again, if you're planning to do offer, then any GPT site should be your first choice, because that will give you so much value of your offer that you complete. Now scamming at an other video claiming earn easily $5-10. The reality is you're not gonna earn that much, and you will earn 1,000 or I believe 1,000 or 2,000 coins. That will be and we are speaking about couple pennies. So even though their threshold is very low threshold, but the amount of reward you get by playing, that's very low. And I don't know if that worth it for somebody. Tapping in the cash out, yeah, and then cash out again. Yeah. So this is the options they have. They have as I said before, they have in-app donation option. No matter how many options they have, yeah, you still earning penny. And the main concept is play games to earn. That's it. And that's pretty much it. And nothing else JustPlay has to offer. It's some basic things and tutorial and contract with them if you had an issue. So let me know what do you let me know what your comments and thoughts. If you like this video, consider to subscribe my channel, like this video, comment down below your opinion, and give me some recommendations for videos I can cover in my next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.